Morning! We've just been having a debate about how much, well obviously this holds 500 mils, but I thought that it would be like 2 of these to a pint, maybe just under. No, just over. And Wayne said that this bottle equates to around about a pint of water. And you know, I could drink one of these in like one sitting. It'd take me maybe 10-20 seconds. And so the guy in Tesco's googled it, and it turns out that a pint is 568 mils. So this little bottle of water contains almost a pint of water. Crazy. I do think these turkeys are completely gorgeous. We've brought Lucy up to the farm because she's lovely and she's laying every day, but she stands in the garden and she shouts and shouts and shouts, and it's driving me crazy. Ooh. Trying to figure out pecking order already. Ooh. He's a boy, isn't he?
Yeah.
Hmm. He just keeps... I'm like stood here and he's just... Bits of me keep going in his mouth. Mocha. And what's your malfunction really? Because you seem to be eating me also. He's chewing. Why is he chewing? I has Cupquake. Ow. What? What? Did you just eat my phone? Did you actually just lick it? My phone's covered in slobber now. Okay, I'm coming. Get off! So I've been testing out the new £5 note, and you know that they say it's this new one, that it's cleaner and it's more resilient, blah 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 blah. But actually, hang on. It's all crumpled and like it's not like crumple resistant or anything. And obviously last night I took a bite out of one, and so you know that was a thing. So yeah, they're pretty and it's lovely. But firstly, I don't think that the whole cleaner thing. I still think that it's going to be a lot easier to transmit germs, given that it's plastic coated. So yeah, it's pretty and that's lovely. We are going to get some animal feed now. So that's what's happening.
Wow.
Hmm? Did you get it?
Come here, my
Pinch the back of the cards, Trace.
It won't. It won't really.
It will if
You
you...
need to put your legs together and go round you.
It does go round. It...
Go on, I won't do it. It doesn't look. It doesn't read.
needs to be a third one.
Okay, third one on.
Wait a minute.
Get two.
On there. Push him over. Come on, Trace, push him over. Just give him a little push. He's trying to step out of it. You need to tighten it. You need to tighten it. He's trying to step out of it. No, he's going to step out of it. Tighten it up, quick. Put your foot down. We'll pinch. Have you done it? Yes. Good job, good job.
Got a knife in his hand, though.
Give me that knife. You cannot. Merv needs the knife. No, don't let. Oi, stop! No! Oh, what did you do? What, Dilbert? What do you think, Dilbert? I think he's got hiccups, actually. He's so soft. Currently experiencing the most irritating and ridiculous insomnia. I'm so tired, but I just can't fall asleep. I did fall asleep earlier. Didn't really happen for very long. My eyeballs are hanging out. I have to be out in the morning and I'm not good. I do not want to get up. It's really pants day outside. Grey and rainy and rubbish. But I have to get up because I have to go and help my best friend at Weight Watchers, and also she's having a Macmillan coffee morning. So I need to go and support her. This pig has a poorly foot and I want to go over and check her hoof, but she keeps shouting at me every time I go near. So I'm just sat here now so she can get used to me. Pickle! Pickle! See? She's quite cross. I've picked her lots of plantain and nettles because they are, well, nature's herbs really, hoping that that will help her. But everyone else keeps pushing in and eating it. Can you see she's not even standing on her foot now? It's not good.